Are you dreaming of a luxurious travel destination trip? Look no further. In this video, we will give you the must-know tips for planning the perfect luxury travel experience. Whether you're looking for a tropical paradise or a bustling city escape, these tips will help you create a memorable and lavish vacation. Let's dive in. Before you start planning, it's essential to research luxury destinations that match your preferences. Consider factors like luxury resorts, exclusive accommodations, fine dining options, and unique experiences. Browse through travel websites and magazines to find inspiration and create a short list of potential luxury travel destinations. Luxury travel may come with a higher price tag, so it's crucial to set a budget before making any bookings. Determine how much you are willing to spend on accommodations, activities, dining, and transportation. Be realistic with your budget and prioritize the aspects of your trip that matter most to you. One of the highlights of a luxury travel destination trip is staying in extravagant accommodations. Look for luxury hotels, resorts, or boutique properties known for their exceptional service, stunning views, and lavish amenities. Take advantage of online booking platforms that offer exclusive deals and benefits for luxury travelers. To make your luxury travel destination trip truly special, plan exclusive activities that cannot be experienced elsewhere. This could be private yacht charters, helicopter tours, gourmet cooking classes, spa retreats, or VIP access to cultural events. Research local attractions and consult with luxury travel agencies to discover unique and tailored experiences. Part of the luxury travel experience is indulging in exquisite culinary delights. Research and make reservations at renowned restaurants known for their gourmet cuisine and Michelin star chefs. Try local specialties and savor the flavors of your destination. Remember to inform the restaurants about any dietary preferences or restrictions you may have. When packing for your luxury travel destination trip, focus on quality, comfort, and style. Pack elegant outfits suitable for luxurious settings, along with comfortable attire for sightseeing or outdoor activities. Don't forget to bring essential travel accessories, such as designer luggage, high-end skincare products, and stylish accessories. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the must-know tips for planning a luxury travel destination trip. Remember to research, set a budget, book luxurious accommodations, plan exclusive activities, indulge in fine dining, pack accordingly, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of your lavish vacation. Start planning and create memories that will last a lifetime.